Hi, welcome back. In this short video, I will show you how you can resolve this data source is not registered with server, this error. And here you can see that I am using ArcGIS Pro version 3.1 and enterprise setup version is 11.0. So this is the catalog part of ArcGIS Pro. I have connected already to enterprise geodatabase connection like this way. Database platform is SQL server, instance name is the IP address, and authentication type is database authentication. And with the username and password, I have selected the desired database and I have added all of its layers into this content part of ArcGIS Pro. So when I am going to share this as a web layer, by going to select the share tab and then to web layer, and then we have basically three options. Mostly we use publish web layer, and if you have already published the web layer and you have to overwrite it again, then you have to choose overwrite web layer. So in my case, I have published this service already, so I will choose overwrite web layer. And then in my portal content, I have to select the desired folder, and then I have to choose the service, and then I have to click OK. And after that it will ask me overwrite web layer with some information indication. I will choose OK. And after that, share with. In your portal you have created different groups, so you have to choose one of them or two of them, or you can choose with everyone depending on your requirement. So I have chosen this one group, and then I will click on analyze. After this I will show you the error. And here you can see that data source is not registered with the server and data will be copied to the server. So it's a high level severity of this message. So it's better we should resolve this high level of severity. So what we will do, we will go to our ArcGIS Server Manager site, and then we have to log in there, and then we have to choose this site, and then we have to choose data store, and then we have to click on this drop down button of database, and then we have to choose database, and we have to give a desired name here, and then you have to choose import. And after that this window will open where it will be asked choose file. So there is a step between this one and the next step I will show you. So you have to go back to your catalog part of ArcGIS Pro, and you have to right click on that enterprise geodatabase which you want to publish. You have to go to properties, and in general you will see this path name. So you have to copy it and then come back to the previous step where we did already this one site, data store, and database. And then here we have to click on choose file name, and it will open this uh, Windows Explorer. And the path you have copied in previous step, you have to paste it here, and then you have to click on open. And here you can see that it has been successfully choose the file. Then you have to click on import, and it will show you publisher database connection with your encrypted password, and with your server IP address, instance, and other information. So you have to keep this by default checked, and then you have to click on create, and you can see that your database was successfully registered. So here you have to select this option, and then you have to click on validate, and then you can see that your database connection file name has been validated successfully. Now you will come back to catalog part of ArcGIS Pro and you have to right click on that database and click on refresh, and then you have to repeat the same sharing steps: share, web layer, overwrite, and you have to choose your service name, and then you have to click on OK. It will ask you overwrite, you have to choose OK, and after that you have to share with, choose the desired group, and then you have to click analyze. You will not see this error again. Then you have to click on this publish, and then you will see that you have successfully published your service. And then you have to come to the portal website of your enterprise setup, and then you have to click on my content, and then you have already created your folders. In my case, I have created this folder and did this setup again. And here on this dashboard, I will click on these three dots and then we'll click on view dashboard, and you can see that my dashboard is back live now. So that's the part of the solution. I hope you have liked the video. Comment if you want something more related video on like this one. Thank you.